In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable guest mode in Google Chrome using a simple shortcut setting on your computer. This is a quick fix if you want to stop the guest browsing option from appearing in Chrome, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer so you can make sure everything is working normally before we change the launch settings. Next, find your Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop, in your taskbar, or wherever you normally open it from. Right-click the Chrome shortcut, and from the menu that appears, click Properties. This is where you can change how Chrome starts when you launch it. In the Properties window, look at the tabs at the top and click the Shortcut tab. This tab is important because it lets you edit the target path and add extra commands to Chrome's startup settings. Now look for the target field. This is the line that tells Windows exactly how to open Chrome. Click inside the target field, then go all the way to the very end of the text. After the last character, press the spacebar once and then type --disable guest mode. Make sure you enter it exactly as shown because this command tells Chrome to disable guest mode when it opens. Once that is added, double check that there is a space before the command and that nothing else in the target field was changed by accident. When everything looks correct, click Apply to save the change and then click OK to close the Properties window. At this point, the setting has been stored, but it will not fully take effect until Chrome is restarted. So go ahead and close Google Chrome completely. If you have multiple Chrome windows open, make sure all of them are fully closed. Then reopen Chrome using the same shortcut you just edited. Once Chrome launches again, guest mode should now be disabled, meaning the guest browsing option should no longer appear the way it did before. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can return to the same properties window and remove the command from the target field. That gives you full control over how Chrome opens on your computer. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.